Did you use cheap lithopone to save on formulation costs, only to have your white paint turn yellowish or gray under sunlight, leading to severe customer complaints? This is a common bottleneck for many coating and textile mills. Traditional lithopone contains photosensitive zinc sulfide, which precipitates metallic zinc under UV light, causing discoloration. To solve this problem, Liangjiang supplies high light fastness lithopone processed with modern calcination and anti-UV surface coating technologies. Its protective barrier helps block UV degradation, ensuring the product maintains its whiteness without darkening, even under intense sunlight exposure. If you are looking for an inorganic pigment solution that balances formulation costs with stable color performance, Liangjiang's high light fastness lithopone is your ideal choice. Contact us today for free samples or subscribe to our channel for more technical updates.